What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chris from Bastien.Health. Today I'm going to show you a quick, easy, high-protein burrito. Okay, so the main source of protein we're going to be using is tempeh. It's a fermented soybean, plant-based of course. So what you're going to do is get one of these packets and you're going to crumble it into a bowl like this. You're going to add some barbecue sauce. These are the barbecue sauces I use here. I use mostly this one. So what you want to do is coat the tempeh until it's no longer the original color. So just coat it really well. I added some barbecue sauce, then I added some sriracha, and then I added some habanero. If you don't like spice, you can opt out for this. I also added some nutritional yeast, which is high in B12 and other vitamins. Then I added some garlic powder and onion powder. I cook from the soul, so I don't do measurements and things like that. And then so what we did use is these wraps here. 7 grain with flax, 4 grams of fiber, 6 grams of protein per serving. Dairy free. I got these at Whole Foods in the freezer aisle. And then yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get it plated up. So this is a wrap, and we're using a dairy-free vegan cashew, or what is it? Or dairy-free ranch dressing. If we get 15 likes on this post, I'll show you the recipe if you're interested. So we're gonna go ahead and add it to the bowl. Gonna add some purple cabbage that I chopped up. Gonna add some kale as well. And we added yellow onion and red pepper to the tempeh mixture. If you're wondering, tempeh has about 18 grams of protein per serving per 3 ounces. So in this container here, you get 2.5 servings. So lots of protein in there. Gonna add my kale. It should be already washed, triple washed. You could wash it again if you're worried. And I know there's probably some better burrito makers than me. This is just the lunch that I'm making today. So I do about 2 generous handfuls of tempeh. And then we're gonna roll it up. This is probably too stuffed, but it's okay. Okay. Could always use a toothpick and it's not holding together, but what we're gonna do, cut it in half. And then you got your lunch right here. 2 burritos. Like, comment, subscribe for more high protein meals. I forgot to say that you need to pan fry the tempeh. I also added shredded carrots to the mixture. And I will leave the link to the recipe in the description.